Hello, welcome to my living room. Today I'm doing a kind of lookbook transformation type video inspired by beabadoobee, and that also includes her accent. I'm just kidding. I won't torture you for this entire video. Actually, I already recorded this video before, but I fucked up my SD card, so here we are again. It's gonna be less chaotic, which is good. And yeah, let's get started. I already did the makeup, so I did her signature smoky rocker eye, and then I also did her signature very obvious kind of freckles, and then I also wore some beaded necklaces, which she does, and also just some, like, you know, more dangly type earrings. And also I actually cut my hair because of her a few months back, so even though it's a little bit longer than hers, it's still kind of, you know, perfect. And I also dyed it because of her, but wow, kind of obsessed much. But yeah, let's begin. I'm actually already wearing the first outfit.
So for this first outfit, I have this little baby tee from Unif on, and these kind of Y2K cargo pants. They're actually Y2K because they're my mom's, and she said she did wear them like 20 years ago, so genuine vintage pants. And then I paired them with these leather sandals. They're unbranded. Yeah, and I think this is a very classic B outfit. This outfit I think is pretty spot on. I'm wearing a vintage Harley Davidson shirt, which is a little big, so I can wear it off the shoulder. And then underneath I have this thick tank top, which I've seen her pair together before. The same cargo pants, and then these amazing chunky boots. I think this whole outfit is definitely something that she would wear. And yeah. So next we have this dress situation. I'm not really that happy with this outfit, but this dress is thrifted and it's from Dizigold, so pretty cool. Here I am realizing that I need to moisturize my legs, and then I paired them with these thrifted Shanghai Tang boots, which are epic. I also layered a long sleeve underneath this dress because she wears like these kind of long gloves, but I don't have those, so this is just kind of my way of doing that. So here we have a versatile bottom. This kind of denim flared skirt is perfect. I think I've seen her wear something like this before, so I'm going to be wearing that for the next like 5 outfits. But I paired it with this kind of teal colored vintage Guess sweater, and then a shoulder bag, which I actually made from scrap jeans. And then I also paired it with socks and the leather sandals. And I think she really likes pairing baggy sweaters with short skirts. So I see that she's really into knit kind of sweaters. So here I am wearing 2 different types with the same skirt because it's versatile. I like this mustard colored one better, to be honest. Yes, play with the plant. Next, I'm pairing it with this t-shirt and a short sleeve knit jacket and the same sandals. And last but not least, this oversized sweater with jeans situation, very skater girl, you know, and then pairing them with these sandals to add a kind of, you know, different feel to this outfit. And as you can see, I am most comfortable in baggy clothing, and I like to kick my leg up for some reason. Actually, no, not just for some reason. It's because all those Instagram models do that when they do lookbooks, and I find it quite funny.
Alright, I've taken the clothes off. Sadly, it is not as cold as London here in Hong Kong. So this was a total sweat party, and well, I had a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. And see you in the next one, whenever that is. Now get out of my living room.